Whenever I have fractions, I want to get rid of them first, and if there are two fractions, you got to get what the common denominator would be. So that would be 8, sorry. Or if you don't know that off the bat, you could do and just multiply them together, but that's the hardest way because you get bigger numbers. So if you take the biggest denominator, 8, and ask if the other one goes into it, 4, does 4 go into 8? Yes, it does. So since that works, I'm going to use the biggest number, 8. 8. You have to put it with each term. So 8 times x is 8x. Then you got a plus sign. Now you multiply the top, divide by the bottom. So 3 times 8 is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Is less than or equal to negative. And on this one, it's obvious to see it top cancels with bottom. So you just have a negative 3 left there. Now I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides because I'm trying to get the x isolated. Bring down the 8x. Opposites cancel. Is less than or equal. Negative 3 and a negative 6 is a negative 9. Divide both sides by 8. Top cancels with bottom. So x is less than or equal to negative 9 over 8. That doesn't simplify, so that is your answer. Okay. 4 does not go into the bigger number 5. So in this case, you go ahead and multiply them. So 4 times 5 is 20. So I'm going to put 20 with each thing. Okay, so 20 times v is 20v plus sign. 3 times 20 is 60 divided by the bottom. So 60 divided by 4 is 15. Is greater than or equal to 1 times 20 is 20 divided by 5 is 4. Then I subtract 15 from both sides. Bring down the 20v. Opposites cancel. Is greater than or equal to 4 take away 15 is a negative 11. Divide both sides by 20. Top cancels with bottom. V is greater than or equal to negative 11 over 20. That doesn't simplify, so that is your answer, negative 11 over 20. Okay, this next one, I have a 9 as a denominator, and it's the only denominator, so I can multiply everything by 9. So top cancels with bottom, so you get 5 is less than or equal to 9 times x is 9x plus 9 times 4 is 36. I'm going to subtract 36 from both sides. Okay, so 5 take away 36 is a negative 31. Is less than or equal to 9x. Opposites cancel. Divide both sides by 9. Negative 31 over 9 cannot be simplified, so that's actually your answer, is less than or equal to top cancels bottom, x.